What's going on everyone, Nathan here from Myimtips.com, and in today's video we're going to have a look at how to make money online for beginners. I'm actually going to share with you the best way, what has been working for years and still works, and I'm also going to show you how to get started the right way with this. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about internet marketing related tips, making money online, and a lot more. Alright guys, so basically what I'm gonna share with you in today's video here is something that has been working for years. It's a classic one and still works and is one of the best ways. It's no coincidence that everyone is doing this actually. So without further ado, let's dive in and have a look at all the details. Okay guys, so first off, if you're looking for a way to make money online as a broke beginner, then you can check out my other YouTube channel, which is Easy Way Web Marketing. I have tons of videos where I share different strategies on how you can get started totally free to make money online. There is everything from freelancing, making money taking surveys, playing games, and a lot more. So if you're looking for that, and it's actually a great way to make some extra money while you build your real online business here. But in today's video we're going to focus on real, sustainable online business formula here that you can make money with. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so basically I'm going to share with you all the tools. We're going to have a look at websites here and everything in detail, but first let me just explain a little bit here on the importance of how you can get started the right way with this. So it is a 3 simple steps actually to make money online, even if you're totally new. And the first thing is we need to find and attract an audience. So we usually say that we need to drive traffic, okay? And that is what we need to focus on, of course. It is the lifeblood of any business. If you don't have traffic, of course, you can't make money online. Secondly, which is also the most important, you can see it here in red, it is to build an email list to connect with your lister. And we do that with something called a landing page. I'm going to show you here a real quick example of that. And you probably heard the phrase the money is in the list. Okay, that's why I'm saying it is the most important thing, because an email list, you can connect with your list and you can send emails to them. They will open your emails, and when they're going to start to like and trust you, they will also buy from you. And finally, we have promoting offers. Now, you don't going to bombard every single day and sending offers, promote different offers, because then people won't like you, so they won't purchase anything from you. But these are the 3 simple steps. And you can see here I shared this slide in the past, and it is about affiliate marketing. It is, in my opinion, the best online business to start. Really simple because it is a low risk. You don't have to create your own product. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars on copywriting, making video sales letter, and a lot more. You don't have to deal with shipping, so that is why it is a low risk. So all you need is finding an offer to promote, find a way to drive traffic to that offer, and of course building an email list. So we're going to have a look at here are the tools that we need. So we're going to dive into this. It is an autoresponder, landing page builder, tracking, and traffic. Let's have a look at it here now. So the first thing is an autoresponder, and an autoresponder, Aweber, is my #1 recommendation. Now, as a solo ad vendor, I have tested out all the autoresponders that is available out there. This is my #1 recommendation. This is the most newbie friendly, so if you are a beginner. And the cool thing is that it is a 30-day free trial also. So you can get started actually for free with this. So even if you're broke, there is a chance for you to make money online for free with this method here. Alright, so #1 recommendation, Aweber. And I'm going to show you here real quick in my Aweber account. You can see here that this is one of my funnels. We need to set up a follow-up sequence here. You can see this are sending out every single day. All right, so when we send the first email, you can see here send immediately, then send 1 day after, send 1 day after. So this is a follow-up sequence, and this is what you must do. Okay, you need to write those emails because people are not going to purchase from you the first day, all right, when they opt in. Some will, but a lot of you won't. So it is good to connect with it. And I'm just going to open up here real quick just an email here so you can see the SOS. It has a good open rate here, all right. So it says here, I want to share something with you. I'm telling a story here about the shiny object syndrome. We all been there. So people feel that they can connect with you here, and this is super important that you need to write. Everyone has a story, by the way, so you can definitely find something to write about. So don't limit yourself that you can't write or anything like that. You can see here I offer, do you need my help? Are you a doer or watcher? This is about taking action. So this is another email where I actually share some tips here. You can see that more than 95% of the people that gets information to succeed online don't do anything with it, for example. And people can relate with this and they say, yes, I agree with you. And then they are going to start to like you, follow you, and of course, purchase from you. So this is super important. And I'm also going to show you how you can actually get emails to promote for free. All right, so we're going to proceed with finding an offer here so we can have that in place. And I'm at clickbank.com. This is one of the largest affiliate networks around the globe, works in almost every country. If you can't get approved on Clickbank, there is a solution. There are affiliate networks like Digistore24.com, for example. But I'm going to stick here with Clickbank for today. And you can see here, this is something new actually. I just saw it recently here. You can get sorted by ranking. So this is more like popularity. Gravity is Clickbank's own metrics here, of course. And it means that the higher the gravity, that means that the product sell. So the first product here is the perpetual income. Has been around for a while now. Very popular product to promote. And the cool thing is that we can get a lot of help here, okay? So if I just open this up in a new tab, you can see here that they do explain that you can make up to $343.49 in commission per sale, and they do explain a lot of details here. So you want to sign up, of course, here and also proceed so you can get access to affiliate promotional tools, as you can see here. Here they do explain all the upsells here, so it's a good idea to know about this. But if I scroll down a little bit here, look at this, high converting email swipes. These are ready-made, these are tested, they work. So you can set up your email sequence using this. Of course, if you rewrite them, it will be probably even better, but this is a great quick start that you can get help with. Now, if you have a blog, you can use banners also. There are usually other promotional tools, depending on the product here, of course. All right, now let's move on to the landing page. So this is one type of a landing page. This is what you're going to see actually if you check out my #1 recommendation right here below. And you will get access to a free video here in exchange for the email address. The free video is going to reveal to you that this is for anyone who wants to start an online business but doesn't know where to begin. So it's a perfect way to get started to make money online as a beginner, of course. So this is one example of a landing page. Now this is something called exit pop-up. It will give you a second chance to opt in. Here's another way you can have it on your blog, just like I have here on my Myimtips. Okay, so this is another example. This is one of my squeeze pages. You should test, by the way, different landing pages all the time. Free video case study reveals how I made $420 in less than 24 hours. And that is a video actually. So that is what you're going to see in exchange for the email address, and people are going to opt in. Here's another one. You can get a free report that shows you how to make $126.64, and build a list of hungry subscribers for free. So you're probably saying, no, but I don't have anything to give away, and I'm going to show you a solution to that too. How do you build landing pages? Really simple. There is something called ClickFunnels. They do have a free 14-day trial here. You will find link to all the resources right here below. So you can get started with it. They have ready-made landing pages. They have ready-made funnels also. They are proven, they are tested, and they do work. So this is a shortcut, guys, okay? So 14-day free trial, you have Aweber 30 days. So far we have free everything, all right? Now, regarding the free giveaway here, a lot of people will recommend you to go ahead and type FreePLR, and you can do that. It is one way, but I would suggest you to go to a site like this here, which is master-resale.rights.com. And if you go here to this site, they do have more quality private label right products here. They actually have complete courses. Here is a video course, for example, list building catapult, which is definitely good. For 13 bucks, it's a steal in my opinion. Here we have make money selling nothing. So let's say that you take this, for example. Now, a tip here is that make sure you rewrite it a little bit. And of course, you're going to do a new cover. If you can't do it, outsource it. You can get someone for Fiverr for $5 to give you a new one with a new name, a new cover. It will look like a unique product. So this is highly recommended, okay? And I'm not going to read through the details here, but I think you get the point here. It is as easy as that. Use this actually to get started, to have something to give away for free. And of course, regarding tracking, we need to have some kind of a tracking to know what is happening. I do recommend ClickMagick because you can do so much more than just track. You can do split testing. Remember what I said earlier about the testing. And of course, you can get rotators in place here and a lot more. Link in the description, 14-day free trial to this also. So now you have everything in place. Finally, we have the traffic here. And regarding making money online niche, I'm going to talk a little bit about solo ads. Now, solo ads, how it works is that a solo ad vendor has a large amount of email subscribers in the list, and they are sending traffic to your landing page. And you can see here, I've been involved actually in solo ad traffic. It works if you know how to do it right, okay? I actually still sell here. I have clients that have been with me for years. They are super satisfied and they come back to me regularly and purchase traffic from me. But you can also go to like a site like udemy.com, which is a popular platform. So what you need to do here is you go to the section where it says find sellers, and you can get started to have a look at some sellers here. Now, a good recommendation is to have a look at this here, okay? So you can see here, the 32% is actually the sales, the got sales. So it is sorted here by 30%, and this is from the last 100 solo ads that these guys has delivered. The higher, the better, because that means that they have buyers in the list there. This is super important, okay? Otherwise, you're probably not going to get sales. So keep that in mind. This is an important factor actually to get traffic. Now, of course, there is more ways. You can go to Facebook, for example. You can have a look at solo ad testimonial group, more the testimonials, but it doesn't mean that you can get sales also. Another good tip is, of course, don't expect to make sales with 50 clicks, 50 visitors to your site only and be rich. Okay, it doesn't work like that. If it was that easy, we will all just purchase 50 clicks and we would be rich there. All right, so there you have it on how you can get started, the best way to make money online, especially if you are a beginner. Now, if you are interested in focusing on this method and learn all the ins and outs, as I said earlier, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure to subscribe to both my YouTube channels. Hit that notification bell also, and I will see you in the next one.